A lot of you out there are fine letting skilled people build the things that you use, but for others, they prefer a much more hands-on approach. This goes especially for those in the woodworking industry. They love the feel of the tools as they go through the wood, the satisfaction that comes with finishing a project. But what about those who are just starting out or are looking for new projects to make? Allow us to show you 6 amazing woodworking projects you must see. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Number 6. Backyard Lounger. The backyard is an ideal place for relaxation and reflection. For that, you need a good, comfortable chair. But why buy one when you can build one with little more than a circular saw and a cordless drill? This backyard lounger isn't just easy and affordable to build, it's also both rustic looking and super comfy, which many of you are going to appreciate. This lazy boy lawn lounger is loosely based on a traditional 1903 Westport plank chair. It was the predecessor to the classic Arondack chair. This one is much quicker and simpler to build, plus you can construct this chair from just 2 foot-long pine 1x10s, and it shouldn't take much more than a couple of hours. But once you're done, you can put some cushions on it for a more comfortable seat, or just sit in it as is and fully enjoy your work. Number 5. The Wagon. Come on, it's a classic. The most treasured children's gift are handmade wood toys, and when they're as sharp looking as a handmade red wagon, they will be cherished for generations. A hand-built toy wagon is the quintessential child's gift, even in the digital age. It doesn't require an app or batteries, and it will never become obsolete, and it's nearly indestructible. Your kids or grandkids will love hauling around their toys, siblings, or even the dog. Plus, you can take a look at basic designs and then add in your own personal touches to truly make it stand out. What's better than that? Number 4. A workbench. No matter how much of a builder you are, you're going to need a workbench to do most of your work. So if you're going to have one, why not make it yourself? The beauty of this is that not unlike the wagon from before, you can outfit this to suit your needs and desires. If you just want a sturdy place to work, you can whip one up with only a few stout pieces of lumber and some tools. Or you can go full tilt and decide to make it stand out on its own merits by putting in shelves for your tools, extensions to give you more workspace when you need it, and so on. It's your workbench, so why not design it to fit the needs that you'll have for it? Number 3. A-frame toolbox. Traditional A-frame toolboxes have been used by generations of tradespeople, including carpenters, plumbers, electricians, and mechanics. There are different variations of it, and as a result, you can make one how you want. The open-top design of the A-frame toolbox is preferred to boxes with hinged lids, because they provide quick access to the tools. Sure, they may look a little rough and ready, but these boxes are workhorses, not works of art. And when you're building things, it's those items that are works of art. The toolbox just needs to do its job, and it will if you build it right. Number 2. Pergola. Creating an inviting outdoor living space with a pergola. Its unique architectural design places you both inside and out at the same time. The finished product is a blissful addition to any yard, a shady place to sit and read, eat and drink with friends, or zone out on a summer's day. A simple pergola consists of 4 posts laid out into a square or rectangle and then topped with crossbeams, rafters, and lattice. Do it right, and you'll have a perfect outdoor spot for you and your friends. Number 1. Personal projects. The beautiful thing about woodworking is that the items you can make are only limited to the materials you have and the desires that you want to fulfill. As such, some of the best woodworking projects are the ones that you go and do and fulfill the needs of your house and family. Whether it's making a simple spice rack, or an outdoor patio or gazebo, you have options. So go and explore them and see where your personal projects take you. So what do you think? What do you think of these woodworking projects that various woodworkers of all skill levels can try to do? Are you intrigued enough to go and try it yourself? What projects are you already eyeing to build? Or is there another woodworking project out there that people should want to try? Let us know in the comments down below. Be sure to subscribe, and we will see you next time on the channel.